If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Be More Curly. Today I'm going to be doing a protein treatment because my hair is looking really crazy. I washed it probably a few days ago, but I definitely need to do this protein treatment because it's been about 2 months since the last one. So I'm going to start off washing my hair with Shea Moisture, this coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo. I'm going to start out with this just to add some extra silk protein into my hair. Next, I'm going to be using the shampoo for damaged hair by Aphogee. So this shampoo for damaged hair, it says it cleanses gently, it restores shine, helps strengthen hair, and it normalizes the pH. So yeah, I'm going to use that after I shampoo with the Shea Moisture. After I do that, after I use both of the shampoos, I'm going to go on with this two-step protein treatment. So this protein treatment, the last time I did it, it actually helped a lot with moisture, and I think that was because I also used their balancing moisturizer, and that is the last step. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll start with shampooing my hair with first the Shea Moisture and then the Aphogee for damaged hair shampoo. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the two-step protein treatment. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just finished washing my hair and I put the two-step protein treatment in. So what I just finished doing was blow drying my hair, and it is very stiff right now. It's more stiff in the back. The bottom, maybe I didn't let the bottoms dry enough, but it is pretty stiff, if you all can tell. But I can see that my hair is, you know, going back to the curly state that I love. So that's really good. Okay, up here you can see that it's really stiff. So one thing I will say about the two-step protein treatment is that there is a weird smell with it. I can't even really describe it. I don't know what it smells like, but it is a weird smell. Also, it is very sticky. It was getting all over my neck. My hair was sticking to my neck. I was trying to pull it off slowly so I don't break off my hair. It's like all over my shirt, literally. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it's like all over my shirt. I do recommend if you're gonna do this protein treatment, or maybe any protein treatment, I don't know if they all work the same, but I would suggest keeping like a damp washcloth handy so that you can wipe around like on your forehead. I had to wipe it off of my forehead because it was in on my face, like on the sides of my face. It was getting really sticky, as well as like your ears, neck, all of that. So far, like I said, I can tell that my hair is, you know, it is looking better. It is looking curly as I want it to look, as it should. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse this out, and then I'm gonna put in the balancing moisturizer. It says to leave on for 2 minutes, but my hair is very thick, so I'm going to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be back after I put in the balancing moisturizer, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So I just finished using the balancing moisturizer, and I just put that in my hair. I didn't rinse it out yet, so my hair feels super soft. I will say that. So that is because of the protein treatment, and I just can't stop running my fingers through my hair. It feels so nice. Like, I love how it feels right now. And my curls are looking wonderful. I mean, I do still have, there is some obvious signs of heat damage that, you know, everything isn't going to be completely fixed and 100%, but it is looking so much better than it has in the past few weeks. I'm going to let this balancing moisturizer sit in my hair for probably about 15 minutes, like I said before, and then I will come back and rinse it out. So the balancing moisturizer, it pretty much feels like a conditioner, and it went on very smoothly. So I was thinking about adding in some of my deep treatment mask, but I decided not to. I want to do this first and see how my hair looks without adding in any extra products. So I'll be back and I will show you guys how it looks after I rinse this out of my hair. Okay guys, I'm back. I just washed out the balancing moisturizer and my hair feels really soft, and it looks shinier. It definitely does feel moisturized, so I'm happy about that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put in some leave-in conditioner by Cantu. Next, I am going to use my Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I'm going to be putting in some of my coconut curling cream. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Denman brush and just use this to style my hair. So I'm gonna go and diffuse my hair and then I will be back. Okay guys, so I just finished diffusing my hair. I used the Conair Pro diffusing head attacher. I just attached it to my blow dryer and I used that. I'd say it's about 90% dry right now. I'm not going to diffuse it anymore just because I want the rest of it to air dry. But this is the final look. I'm not doing anything else with it, just gonna let it air dry. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment if you have any questions or any tips, then go ahead, leave your comment below. Please share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. Also check out my website, BMORE.net, and thanks for tuning in guys. Have a great day.